Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Tonhub Wallet step by step. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details you might need. Start by searching the Tonhub Wallet from your Play Store or your App Store, download it and then install it. Once you do that and open the application, click on Get a New Wallet. Once you do that, click that I have read the terms and accepted the privacy policy, and then you're going to go ahead and create a PIN code. Confirm it, and there you go. Now you have basically your first wallet. After you enter your email address and verify it, you are now able to use it. Now, to be able to send and receive on the reception's wallet, you're going to go ahead and connect your address. That's by using the ddos.io AMETEX application. Connect it and then accept the terms of service. Now you can go ahead and transfer between the Ton wallet address and USDT, Jetcoin, or any type of Bitcoin that you will have. You can now search any token that you would like to buy, transfer, or keep by staking. Finally, you have the browser section where you can have the extension, connections, or any news and community that you would like to check out, especially for the Web 3.0. And there, from more on the settings, you can check all your contacts, primary currency, theme, search engine, and anything you would like to change. And then you can go ahead, log out, or delete the account if you wish to do that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Take care.